Hello everyone, for the children of class 4. So we were doing the interrogative sentences, right? And we were doing the last chapter, that is positive and negative sentences. So before we go into positive and negative sentences, we will revise a bit of the work which we have already done. So we will be revising chapter 6, that is WH family. I know we have revised earlier in a few videos back, but still I will do it today. Chapter 4, statement and questions, followed by another video, and chapter 5, questions and answers with another video. So revision is very important, because after this I will take a test and you have to answer those without seeing your copy, or it will be totally from the totally out of the book and copy. Okay, so we will revise this first. So what we have done in WH family, that is, what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks question is an interrogative sentence. So we all know that whatever we ask is an interrogative sentence. Whatever we ask to people or whatever people ask us is an interrogative sentence. There are various ways that interrogative sentence can be made. That is, but the two major forms are WH questions and helping verb, which is also known as auxiliary verb. So before we move there, a sentence that asks question is an interrogative sentence. It comes with a question mark at the end, and we start our sentence with a capital letter. We all know this. And we end an interrogative sentence with a question mark. This is also called mark of interrogation. Now, there are two forms with which an interrogative sentence can be made. That is WH questions and helping verbs, which are also known as auxiliary verbs. So what are they? That is am, are, was, were, has, have, had. We already did in class 3 and we already revised it. Do, does, did is a new chapter, and I will revise this do, does, did in the coming video. Will, can and could. Okay, since these have some rules, do, does and did is carrying some rules, and when you write a sentence with do, does, did, you have to follow those rules, change some words and not change some words. So I will give you that. Be attentive and follow the videos, okay, which are coming up. Helping verbs. Now WH family, that is WH word family, that is who, where, when, why, which, what and how. How is a special one because it doesn't follow the WH pattern, but it has the word W and H, like W at the end and H in the front. That is why it is a little different, but it is a part of a WH family only because it carries the word W and H. Simple. Okay, so it's a part of a family. Somebody asked me why it is so. That is why I explained. That is, it carries the word W and H. W and H in the word how. So that's why it's a part of the family. Okay. Now, I think you remember that I gave you one classwork on 4th of May. And see, you will be having it in your CW copy. And I gave you in the previous videos. So, I will be discussing the answers today of this CW. Okay. So, open your CW copy and let's see the answers first. So, what are these? That is, number 1, we can go to the park. Can we go to the park? So what we are doing, we are putting the first half, we are rearranging the words and then putting it ahead. Okay, when we are using helping verbs, we are rearranging the words and then we are putting the helping verb in the front. See, in the last, can. So can is coming in the beginning. Okay. Can we go to the park? Number B, you like the slide? Do you like the slide? I have given a star. It's written with do. It's the interrogative sentence is with do. So I will explain the rule to you. Number C, is that kitten little? So what was the sentence? That kitten is little. So the answer is that kitten little? Number D, Sam went to the zoo. Another one, see, with a star. Why did Sam go to the zoo? There is a change. And I will let you know what it is. We will revise it. Number E, Sam is going to the beach. Is Sam going to the beach? Yes, you are correct. Is Sam going to the beach? All the sentences are followed by a question mark. Please keep that in mind when you are writing an interrogative sentence. Number F, I am singing songs. Am I singing songs? Correct. Number G, I will be home. Will I be home? Please, children, overlook because I have written by mistake W in small, it will be in capital. So, will I be home? Then number H, Henry is enjoying baking. Is Henry enjoying baking? Correct? Okay. Number I, my mummy can cook yummy food. So, the answer is, can my mummy cook yummy food? Number J, we are safe at home. So what will be the answer? Are we safe at home now? We are safe at home now. So the interrogative sentence will be, are we safe at home now? We have placed the helping verb in the beginning. We have rearranged the words and then we have made the interrogative sentence. That goes for all. Okay. Next, number K. You will help me to carry the box. So, will you help me to carry the box? Again, the helping verb is coming in front and then we are making the interrogative sentence. Number L. Lacey won the race last Sunday. Another star sentence. Did Lacey win the race last Sunday? So, I will give you the reason of this star later on. Number M, he is speaking in Urdu language. So it will be, is he speaking in Urdu language? Correct? So these are the answers which I gave you today. Any more confusion with interrogative sentence and change of words or arrangements of words and putting the helping verb in the front and then making the interrogative sentence? Is there any if there is any query, please let me know. Thank you for today. Please follow the next video. There is 2 videos of revision. Okay. Thank you so much.